Hello once again to another edition of ESQL Solving Industry Problem. So for today, what do we have in front of us? As you can see, we have a wonderful project that we are here to solve. We are here to solve a reporting problem, and is under project management, and this is good. This is under healthcare. Clearly, our three senior executive officers wish for us to solve a problem that is not making them happy. So what do they have for us today? In front of you, you can see this is the project aim, and the project aim is about Excel, which is having they're having issues with multiple formulas. And let me go through the project aim. Number one, they want us to provide an insight. What is this insight about? They want us to generate reusable reports based on what? All right, based on A and B. A, project status is completed. All right, they want completed ones. B, they want us to aggregate it. Aggregate just means to sum it up. What kind of aggregate do they want? They want us to provide to aggregate by the project name. They want to see the project name. They also want a grand total of all associated products. All right, after we get these bits, then they want us to aggregate it. Okay, what next do they have for us? Number two, they want us to achieve this without using formulas. They also have a constraint, which is Excel, zero Excel formula knowledge. Where's the data? As you can see, is on the next page. What kind of result? Let's move on and see what kind of result I'll be providing today. All right, this is the data. What kind of data is this? Like you all know, before I proceed, I like to let you know so we don't lose focus. On the left hand side, this is the project aim, and this is the data. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Let's do a light inspection of the data in front of us. This is the raw data. What are we looking at here? At the project name. Yes, I can see column B is the project name. What else would I be needed? They want us to have a grand total. I should be looking at the budget, column C. So I should be first getting what they want. If you can see the A they want is completed. Okay, as I can see, I have is completed here, another one here, another one, and on and on and on. So this is a unique, really unique one in the healthcare industry that cuts across different projects that you might be handling right now, or you might face yourself handling if you are trying to get into the project management world. Reporting is key there. So why will a company, hospital, practice want this kind of reporting? As you can see on the left hand on the right hand side, this is the reasons. I just pick one need and one benefit. So for the needs, let me go for number 3. As you can see on the right hand side here, to ensure compliance with budgetary constraint. Yes, someone could be, going above the budget. Our insight today will make them know which of the projects is getting above budget or which didn't meet their expectation. Then the benefits. What are the benefits? I'll pick number 2. Improved project evaluation reporting. Absolutely, that is what ESQL can provide for you. So let's move forward. So on the next bit now, like I always do it, we're providing is Excel. We're providing the solution using ESQL. Just so you know, I'm currently, as of today, using our brand new ESQL with Python. But today I'm just going to go on using the ESQL because this is going to be a SQL solution I'm going to be offering within ESQL. What kind of report will I be providing? Simple report. You don't need to know formulas. You don't need to know SQL. Just take the script, run it, and you run it over and over. Reusable solution. So at the end of the day, I hope everyone in this company will be happy using ESQL. The next bit now, I am going to now dive into this problem to run a demo for you to see how ESQL will solve this. So let's get ESQL up and running now. Alright, in front of you, as you can see, is ESQL. What I always do once I have ESQL loaded up, I kind of go and inspect the data. So behind the screen, I've loaded the same data you saw there. If you saw what I when I was demonstrating it there were more data. So let's have a look the total data we're working on. I'm clicking on column A, then I'll come on the right hand side below. We're working with 500 rows of data. That's not so heavy, but SQL can do more. But this is also a complex one. You need to apply multiple if you want to use formulas or you want to use pivot table, you go on and on and on and on. It might be lengthy and very stressful. So I'm just going to inspect what we're doing now. I have column A, which is the product ID, column B, the product name, column C, the budget, column D, the start date, end date, column E, F, the status. What is key for me now that I'll be working with the project name. I do need the project name. Get this one out of the way. I'll color that out. I'll be working very much with the project name. I need the budget so I can run an aggregate on it, the total, to sum this up. So how am I going to achieve this now? Let's go to home screen back and bring up ESQL. Alright, this is ESQL in front of you. What have I done? I have loaded the script for you. I'm pushing it aside. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to achieve what they want. Simple reusable script, that's what they want. The key in what I have in front of you here is the middle bit here. What do I have here? This achieve the key thing that the senior managers want. They want me to get the project name, a report that has the project name. They want me to sum let me open the project now. They want me to get the project name, which is column B, as you can see. They want me to get an aggregate, the total budget, which is, as you can see, that's where this particular line is, which is column C. Now, after getting that, what is more important, they want only completed projects, not all the projects. So column F, I should be looking at column F to get just the completed project. So let me highlight what I'm talking about. Just this bit, on and on and on and on. That's what I'm trying to get out without using formulas. So this solves that. Then the next bit, I'm wrapping this script in between here with a sum. Can you see the sum? This is where I'm wrapping the sum here. I'm getting just the sum of what's the result inside from this bracket. Let me open up the bracket. Yes, and yes. So this is what I'm getting the sum from. I'm getting this sum of the budget. That will give me the total budget as a new column called what? Called grand total. After I do that, if you look very well in this script, let me click. If you look very well in this script, you can see there's no status. I did not call the status in the middle script that I said is key. So I am now going to wrap it up to get the status. I'm wrapping it up from the beginning. I'll now say select the name, status, from where? From all what I've done as they're inside. But guess what? I'm wrapping another nested SQL that can get my status. Look at my status here. That's all. You don't even need to know anything here. Just run the code. I'm going to run the code now.
E SQL operation started.
Best. Focus on your project.
E SQL operation finished.
In seconds. What do I have here? Look at this. ESQL made this possible for 9 seconds. What did ESQL do? Let's have a look. I'm pushing it aside. Let's just close it down. As you can see, ESQL gives you a simple report, gives you the project name as column C, gives you the status, gives you the total budget, and give you the F column, which is the grand total that they want. Look at it very, very well. Now, let me go through this first line. As you can see on this first line, I hope it's big enough. As you can see on this first line, yep, let me make it. As you see on this first line, the project name is facility renovation. All facility renovation from this table I looked at, all of them, it now filtered it based on completed. Let me go back real quick. Yep. It now filtered based on completed, got the total of it, and the same thing he did for the others. Now, all this total, I now got it here. Absolutely wonderful for any reporting or senior leader to have a swift go at the record, individual total budget, and the grand total of it all. What do we have at the bottom? We have a wonderful graph that ESQL provides to you for you to do whatever insights. For those of you that like numbers, you're free to go with the data here or just go with the graph, and you can see clearly which is spending more. You can see this is staff training is really on the high side, 24,000 plus 24 million. Oh my goodness, that's quite high. All right, what we need to do next clearly is simple. We just need to place our comment. How do we place comment? Just open ESQL, click on comment there, and we are now going to put our comment. Now, what do we want to put here? You remember they want us to put a reusable script, and this is what I am providing, a script they can use anytime, anytime they wish really to use it. So this is what the project aim is. This is what we've provided. What have we provided? Let me go in a bit. Yes, as you can see, this is a script. Where is the script? This is the script. Where is the result? This is the result. Simple and neat. The managers can use this over and over again without bothering themselves about complex things. What have we done today? We have gone into this data to provide simple insights. As you can see, this is one of the things ESQL can provide for you. All right, moving forward, this is clear that I have just provided you with number one, a solution where you can use ESQL to achieve what you want. The next bit, I've made the staffs to be happy in this company using ESQL, and I've given you the demo, and as you can see, this is absolutely wonderful. HealthCare that we just did today, project management. Do contact us if you have the same use case that you'd like us to dive into it, give you better insight or customized insight. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.